In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in CapCut using spaces. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for, so you can bring teammates into your project space with confidence. First, open your CapCut app, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed into the account that holds the projects you want to collaborate on. If something looks different from what you see here, it can help to update the app to the latest version so the interface matches. Next, look for the Spaces area. This is where CapCut organizes shared work, making it easy to collaborate. You may see an option labeled Your Spaces. Tap that to view all the spaces you're part of. If you see a specific space listed on the home screen, you can tap it directly, but going through Your Spaces is a reliable way to make sure you're in the right place. Now, open the space where you want to add collaborators. Think of a space as a shared folder for your team's videos, assets, and drafts. Opening it first ensures that when you invite people, they're added to the correct workspace. Inside the space, look to the upper right corner for the profile icon. It often looks like a person silhouette or a small group icon. Tap that. This is your entry point for managing members and seeing who already has access. From here, choose Invite Members. This is the action that starts the invitation process for your collaborators. Depending on your app version, you may see options to send an invite through common sharing methods. Pick the one that's most convenient for your team. The key is that you're using the Invite Members option from within the space you opened, so anyone you invite will be added to that exact space. A quick tip while you're here, double check that you're in the correct space name before inviting, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Clear naming helps everyone stay organized and reduces the chance of sharing the wrong files. Once you've sent the invites, your collaborators will receive a notification or link. When they accept, they'll appear in the members list for that space and will be able to work alongside you. If your teammates mention they can't find the invite, ask them to refresh their app and check the same email or account they use with CapCut. And that's it. Open CapCut, go to your spaces, open the right space, tap the profile icon in the upper right and select Invite Members. Follow those taps and you'll be collaborating smoothly in no time.